Hey guys, it's Tito Byce here, and today I'm going to show y'all how to make a spreadsheet from Google. And first thing you want to do is go to Google Drive, and you're going to come up here and you're going to click New. You're going to go down to Google Sheets, and it's going to bring you to a new document. And for for today's assignment, I had already made one, and this is for my monthly income. And I have all this. I have everything that we were supposed to put down. I have all my prices and everything, my total monthly income, my total leftover money, 275, and a way to make this whole process easier for you. Instead of just having to add up all these numbers on your phone or on a piece of paper, you can come over here to this Greek letter, and it's your functions button, and you just press down on the arrow and you press sum, and it'll add up all of your numbers for you over here. And you can change the size of your whole document if you want. You can change the font just like you can in any other Google document. Yeah, you can change the colors. It's basically the same as Google Docs, Google Slides, anything like that. But you just have these boxes here to where you can make a spreadsheet. And basically, that's it. Thank you guys for your time.